Hello everyone, my name is Mogbojuri. Thank you for joining me on this video series, Metadatabase on-premise setup. I am a consultant with diverse experience in business intelligence solutions, software development, project management, and also cybersecurity. I have a cumulative experience of over 9 years. So today we'll be looking at what is metadatabase and how do I get this installed on my local host. So what is metadatabase? Metadatabase is an open source business intelligence tool that allows you to create charts, dashboard using data from various variety of database and data sources. Now, the reason why every business should have a business intelligence tool is because of decision making, to be able to have an informed decisions about the market, about their consumers, about their competitors, and also to lead the management team in the right direction. So it's very important that every business should have a business intelligence tool. There are various business intelligence tools outside there. We have Tableau, we have Penta, we have business intelligence tool, we have Zap, BI, and so on and so forth. But our training is going to be focusing on meta database. Then what are the tools, database that or data sources that are compatible or with meta database? So here we have various databases here and data sources from a call it. We have MySQL, Progress SQL. Just go to metabase.com/data sources to be able to know, okay, fine, these are the data sources that Metabase could actually do what we call ETL, extract, transform, and load. Yeah. So we have SQL Server. Most of the time I'll be using SQL Server based on client request. So how do we get started? So you can go over straight to metabase.com/start/OSS/Java. So I'm installing the Java version of it. So when I'm done with the download, I move it to a folder here. I call it tools in my case. Then I run my command prompt java -jar metabase.jar. That's all I need to work with. Then I'm automatically is going to set up the environment for me to work with, and as you can see here, I'm using a local host with a port 3100. So this is a fresh installation. So we will click on let's get started. Okay, so it's going to ask you what's your preferred language. I'm choosing English and I click next. Then your name, so let's input my name here. Then imputes my okay. Then department, I can see you department from password. You can always put a secured password in there. Click on next. Sorry. So click on next. So you can always come back later to add your database. So you can see I will add my data later. And I click next. So you will also see, in order to improve, if you allow them to collect various data anonymously, I'll leave this as it is. Then I click finish. So this is how to set up Metabase on your local system or your local host or on-prem, as the case may be. So I'm going to click on, if I'm interested in having, I can click on subscribe. Then when I'm done, I can tell the system, okay, take me to Metabase. Here we have it's setting up the interfaces for us. So this is the beginning. This is the interface, the landing page of Metabase. So here, this box here allows you to search for information based on various visualization which we have done. Remember, when we are doing the setup, we said I will add my data later. So this here allows you to add your database, which could be your Sage Evolution database, or Sage 300 database, your Sage 300 people database, or Sage X3 people database, SAP database, Oracle Finance database, and so on and so forth. So we also have a sample database. So Metabase comes with a sample database which you can work on. You see we have our product, people, and also others, people, product, and review. Likewise, also when you click browse data here, it allows you to look at various data sources you have in here and be able to work with them. Here, this new allows you to ask questions, SQL queries, dashboard, and various collections in here. So most of the time, Metabase allows you to ask questions or query your data and have the result presented in a visualization of your choice, and also it could be interactive. So thank you so much for joining us on the first video series on Metabase, how to set up Metabase on your local host. Join me for the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button there, so you can receive notification as I post new videos on Metabase. Thank you so much, and do have a wonderful day.